Hello and welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will be discussing the filter lookup function in Excel. This function can be extremely helpful in managing large datasets, so let's get started. The filter lookup function in Excel allows you to quickly find and retrieve data from a large dataset by filtering your search results based on specific criteria. Before we dive into the filter lookup function, it's important to prepare our data. In this example, we have a large dataset with employee information, including their name, department, salary, and start date. We will use this dataset to demonstrate the filter lookup function. To use the filter lookup function, we need to follow a few simple steps. First, we will navigate to the Home tab and click on Filter. From there, we will select Filter and it will be applied in the first row. In the dialog box, we will need to select the range of our dataset, including the headers. Once we have selected our range, we will need to select the column we want to filter by. For example, we can choose to filter by the department column to retrieve all employees in a specific department. After selecting the column to filter by, we will need to provide a criteria to filter by. This can be a specific text, number, or date value. For example, if we are filtering by department, we can enter sales to retrieve all employees in the sales department. Once we have provided our filter criteria, we can click OK and the filtered results will be displayed in the cell we selected. One of the benefits of the filter lookup function is its flexibility. Once we have applied a filter, we can easily modify it or reuse it for other purposes. For example, we can modify our filter to display employees with a salary above a certain amount, or we can reuse our filter to retrieve all employees who started after a certain date. All different types of filter we will cover in our next videos. In conclusion, the filter lookup function in Excel is a powerful tool for managing large datasets. By filtering our search results based on specific criteria, we can quickly and easily retrieve the information we need. With a little bit of practice, the filter lookup function can become an essential tool in your Excel toolkit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.